Come on, man. You're like, what rifle did you make that shot with? Airgun golf? One shot, one kill. Let me introduce you to the Air Arms Kymira. Whew. Boy, is this beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. You're looking at 11 millimeter dovetail on top. This is your cocking knob right here. It comes with two 10-shot mags. Easy for offhand shooting. 6.5 pounds without the optic. It comes already suppressed, so they have their own moderator on there. Titanium air fill. Get about 35 shots per fill at a 250 bar. The trigger is just something you have to experience. Absolutely gorgeous trigger. Fully adjustable cheek piece. Adjustable buttstock here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm in awe. It's just absolutely gorgeous. But you know what? That's enough talking. Let's get to shooting this thing a beauty. Man. Okay, here we are at the 50-yard bench. We got some Air Arms 16 grain, which they should be traveling. We just, that's not the speed there. So I think they're traveling about 945, 950. 5 shots at 50 yards. Let's see how she does. All right, let's go with that and see what we get. Gotta love that one. Okay. Well, that's perfection. That's exactly what I expected from Air Arms right there. This is the first one I really got to get my hands on, but from what I've seen in pre-testing, I mean that's 50 yards of excellence. All right, let's see what else we can get into. Wow, very clean, very clean. Okay, now we're at 100 yards, and we're gonna stick with the Air Arms 16 grain at 100. I have no idea what the drop is, so I'm gonna shoot one, get on target, and then I'm gonna hold for the rest of them. Everybody understand that? Okay. But before we do, let's load our mag completely. So we got those shots. 950 is pretty good, but in the rain. Yeah, in the rain. Let's see what we got here. We might even dial for this one. We'll see. Okay. All right. Let's hold. First one. Let's see what we get. Okay. All right. Everybody sees that one? Okay. I am going to. Let's see if I can get that. Well, I'm just going to shoot it. All right. We're just going to shoot it. Let's see if I can get this. Aiming center mass. All right. Look at it. There we go. We have a hit on. That's good. All right. 2 on. In this little bit of rain stuff, that's really good. A little bit high. Okay. Oh, boy, this gun shoots. We only put one out. I'll take a picture of that. And I have a feeling that one on my hole that is on me. So 4 out of 5 are definite kills there. Wow. That is really good. That is really good. So that one just bumped up a little high. All right. Okay. I think we got a 5 out of 5 there. I just put another one down there just for the heck of it. Just wanted to see if I could get 5 on because that one went a little high, and that was me. And all fairness to the gun, we got to show it. So, yeah. Wow. 100 yards. Look at that. 950. Come on, man. You guys at Air Arms. That is absolutely gorgeous. Love that. And just as good as it looks, it shoots. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, here we are at the end of the video, and boy, this is nothing but absolutely gorgeous. And you look at the stock, and that's what catches your eye first. And I love that the 40th anniversary is on there, and it is absolutely one gorgeous gun. And as good as it looks, it shoots. We know that from the video. Just want you to take a good look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. And of course, on top, the optics that we use is the Nexus 4 to 25 by 50. And this is the Gen 2. So there's amazing clear glass, great quality scope for a great quality gun. Both these worked hand in hand. I feel like we had class on class. The shooting was phenomenal. 50 yards, perfect. 100 yards, even better. Even though we had that one that went high, I wanted to shoot another one to show you if I got the right hold point. Boom, we beat the thunderstorm. Yes, I'm filming this in 2 different days, all because of that thunderstorm canceled me out yesterday, just so you know. But I can't thank Pyramid Air enough for sending this and for sending the Nexus to top it off and give us a great review of this great air gun. This is Rick with Shooter 1721. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Perfect combo.